Hello. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am David.
And I am Alice. I am so happy to see you today. How are you, David?
I am very good, Alice. But to be honest, I am a little bit hungry.
David is always hungry. Actually, I was thinking the same thing. I want to eat something delicious.
Perfect, because today we are going to learn how to order food in English.
This is such a useful topic. When you travel or go to a restaurant, you need to know what to say.
Exactly. You know what? It is not difficult. You only need a few simple phrases to sound natural.
Yes, and we will practice together. We will speak slowly and clearly for all our friends listening at home, in the car, or in the kitchen.
Before we start, if you like our lessons, please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe. Join our English family. Okay, David, let's imagine we are at a restaurant.
When you enter a restaurant, a person usually greets you. This person is the host or server.
They might ask, how many people? Or a table for how many?
I can answer, a table for two, please. Let's repeat that. A table for two, please. A table for two, please.
David, what if you have a big family? You can say, a table for 5, please.
Sometimes the server asks, do you have a reservation?
Reservation. That means you called before to save a table. If you did, you say, yes, under the name David.
But if you didn't, you say, no, we don't. Is there a table available? Usually, the server asks for your drinks first.
They ask, can I get you something to drink? Or would you like to start with some drinks?
I like to keep it simple. I say, I'll have a water, please.
I'll have. This is a very natural way to order. Let's repeat. I'll have a water, please.
You can also say, can I get a Coke, please?
And don't forget the ice. You can say, with ice, please, or no ice, please.
Let's practice. Can I get a Coke, please? No ice, please. Okay, now we have our drinks. We need to look at the menu.
David, do you know what you want?
To be honest, I am not sure. I need more time.
If you need more time, you say to the server, we need a few more minutes, please.
Or, can we have another minute, please? Let's repeat. We need a few more minutes.
And if you have a question about the food, you can ask, what is the daily special?
Daily special. That is a dish the chef made just for today.
I always ask, what do you recommend? It means, what do you think is delicious?
Let's practice. What do you recommend? Okay, I am ready to eat. The server comes back and asks, are you ready to order?
I say, yes, please. I'd like the grilled chicken.
I'd like. This is very polite. It is short for I would like. Let's repeat. I'd like the chicken, please.
David, you love burgers. Are you going to order a burger?
Yes, I say, I'll take the cheeseburger, please. Sometimes the server asks a question about the meat.
Yes. How would you like that cooked? They mean the steak or the burger.
You can say medium, please, or well done, please.
Let's practice. Medium, please. Well done, please.
Alice, actually, I was thinking, some people don't like onions or they have allergies.
That is very important. You can say, no onions, please, or can I have this without onions?
If you have an allergy, you say, I am allergic to peanuts, or I am allergic to milk.
Allergic to. Let's repeat. I am allergic to peanuts.
I also like to ask for extra things. I say, can I have some extra napkins, please?
Or can I have some extra sauce on the side? On the side means in a small bowl, not on the food.
While you are eating, the server usually comes to your table.
They ask, "Is everything okay here?" Or, "How is everything tasting?"
You can answer, "Everything is great, thank you."
But what if the food is cold, David?
Then you must be polite but clear. You say, "Excuse me, my food is a bit cold."
They will say, "Oh, I am so sorry. I will fix that for you." David, it is okay to speak up. It helps the restaurant be better.
I am full, but there is always room for dessert.
I knew it. The server asks, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
I say, "Yes, please. I'll have the chocolate cake."
And after the cake, we need the bill. In the UK, we say the bill. In the US, they often say the check.
You can say, "Can we have the bill, please?" Let's repeat. The bill, please. The check, please.
And if you want to pay with a card, you ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
Most places say yes. Then you are finished. You had a great meal and used great English. Okay, everyone. This is the part that makes you better, the shadowing section.
We will say 25 phrases from today's restaurant visit. Repeat after us, slowly and clearly.
A table for two, please.
We have a reservation under Alice. Could we sit by the window? Can I see the menu, please? I'll have an orange juice, please. Can I get a glass of water? No ice for me, thank you. Okay, everyone, this is the part that makes you better, the shadowing section. We will say 25 phrases from today's restaurant visit. Repeat after us, slowly and clearly.
A table for two, please.
We have a reservation under Alice. Could we sit by the window? Can I see the menu, please? I'll have an orange juice, please. Can I get a glass of water? No ice for me, thank you. What do you recommend today?
Is this dish spicy?
We need another minute, please. I am ready to order now. I'd like the pasta, please.
I'll have the steak, medium rare.
Can I have a salad on the side?
No onions in my burger, please.
I am allergic to shellfish.
Everything is delicious, thank you.
Can I have some more napkins?
Where is the restroom, please?
Would you like some dessert?
I'll take the fruit salad.
Can we have the bill, please?
The check, please.
Do you take credit cards?
Keep the change, thank you. Wow, I feel like I just ate a big dinner. Alice, you are a great dining partner.
Thank you, David. And you are a great student. Everyone, don't be afraid to go to a restaurant and practice.
Yes, even if you make a mistake, it is okay. The server will understand.
Exactly. Actually, I was thinking, our friends have very different favorite foods around the world.
That is true. To our listeners, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite meal?
Is it pizza? Sushi? A traditional dish from your country? We want to know. And we love reading your comments.
I bet many people will say pizza. If you enjoyed this slow English practice, please click the like button.
And subscribe to see our next lesson. It was a pleasure practicing with you today.
I am David.
And I am Alice. Have a wonderful and delicious day.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.